Hello students, let us continue the session on rational numbers. In the previous session, I had concluded the session by giving 3 of the questions as a homework. Hopefully you must have done that. Let's take up the next question, 106th question. 106th question is to simplify each of the following using suitable properties. Also name the properties. So the first one, it is given that 1 by 2 is multiplied to 1 by 4, then added to 1 by 2 multiplied to 6. Here I can write the same thing as 1 by 2 times 1 by 4 plus 6. This is by using distributive property. Of multiplication over addition. So half is multiplied to, we'll take up the LCM. LCM is 4, 1 plus 24. We get it as 1 plus 24 is 25. So 25 upon 8. In the second, it's 1 by 5 multiplied to 2 by 15 minus 1 by 5 multiplied to 2 by 5. Here 1 by 5 is being common. This 2 by 15 minus 2 by 5. Again, we have made use of distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. So 1 by 5, the LCM is 15. If 15 is LCM, it's 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. So it is negative 4 upon 75. And the third one, minus 3 by 5 is being multiplied to 3 by 7 plus negative 5 by 6. We are exactly going to do the reverse one. We are going to distribute this negative 3 by 5 multiplied with both the terms 3 by 7 as well as negative 3 by 5 is multiplied to negative 5 by 6. Here this becomes negative 9 by 35 plus here 3 2 times, 5 and 5 will get cancelled, minus of minus is plus, it is 1 by 2. Therefore we get it as 70 LCM. So negative 9 is being added to 35. Sorry, the negative 18 is added to 35. So we get the result as 17 upon 70. 107th. Tell which property allows you to compute 1 by 5 into 5 by 6 into 7 by 9 as 1 by 5 into 5 by 6 into 7 by 9. Here we all know that whenever A is multiplied to the product B into C, it can be written as A multiplied to B, then multiplied to C. This property is called as associative property for multiplication. The same property holds true here. Question number 108. Verify the property x into y is equal to y into z of rational numbers by using x value and y values are given. I'll be solving any one of these. Let me take D. I need to verify x into y is equal to y into x. Here they have given x value as negative 3 by 8 and y value as minus 4 by 9. I am taking left hand side. Left hand side is x into y. So we have negative 3 by 8 multiplied to negative 4 by 9. We can further simplify this. 3 times, 4 2 times. Therefore, we get the product as positive 1 by 6. Let me take the right hand side. Right hand side is y into x, that is negative 4 by 9 into negative 3 by 8. Again, we can simplify it as 4 2 times, 3 3 times, positive 1 by 6. Therefore, we have left hand side equal to right hand side, that is xy is equal to yx. Hence, we have verified. The same method should be followed in solving this A, C and B. These three are homework for you. Question number 109. Verify the property x multiplied to the product y into z equal to the product x into y multiplied to z of rational numbers using the values are given here. Again, there are 4 sub questions here. Let me take the question B. In the question B, we are given x, y and z values. Now I'll substitute in the left hand side. Left hand side is x multiplied to the product y into z. So on substitution, we get 2 by 3 times of negative 3 by 7 multiplied to 1 by 2. This will be equal to 2 by 3 times. Now we need to multiply. This becomes negative 3 by 14. Further, we can simplify 2 7 times. 3 and 3 they get cancelled and we get negative 1 by 7. Now I'll solve the right hand side. The right hand side is x times y multiplied to z. X value is 2 by 3, y value is negative 3 by 7, and this product to be multiplied to 1 by 2. Let's simplify within the brackets first. Here the 3 and 3 they get cancelled. We get negative 2 by 7. This has to be multiplied to 1 by 2. 2 and 2 again they get cancelled. We get negative 1 by 7. Therefore, we have the left hand side equal to the right hand side. Hence, we have verified. The question here is to name the property. Which property is this? Whenever A is multiplied to the product B into C, this will be equal to A times B multiplied to C. This property is called as associative property or associativity. Again, A, C and D you need to solve as a homework. Question 110. Verify the property x times of y plus z is equal to x times y plus x times z. Here there are 4 sub questions again. Let me consider the first one. I'll be telling how to do the first one. Rest 3 you can do it as a homework. These 3 are homework. I'll be telling the first one. Now I'll need to consider the left hand side. It is x multiplied to the sum y plus z. Let's substitute. It's negative 1 by 2 multiplied to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Within the brackets are to be simplified, so negative 1 by 2 is multiplied to 4 is the LCM. If 4 is the LCM, we get 3 plus 1, which is 4, that is 4 by 4. So the result is negative 1 by 2. Let me take the right hand side. In the right hand side, we have the product xy added to the product xz. X is negative 1 by 2 multiplied to the y value is 3 by 4 plus negative 1 by 2 multiplied to 1 by 4. On further simplification, we get negative 3 by 8 added to negative 1 by 8. Here the LCM is 8, so we get negative 4 upon 8, which is negative 1 by 2. We get the left hand side equal to right hand side, hence we have verified. And this particular property is known as distributivity of multiplication over addition. The remaining 3 questions, please do it as homework. Next question is also related to distributive property of multiplication. In the first 2 questions, there is distributivity of multiplication over addition. In the next 2, there is distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. Here you ignore this line, it is just 10 by 1. Of these 4 questions, I'll be solving the third one, and the first, second and fourth you can try it as a homework. Let me solve the third one. In the third, they have given 2 by 7 is multiplied to the difference 7 by 16 and 21 by 4. When distributive property is used, this 2 by 7 should be multiplied to both the terms. Negative 7 by 16 and 2 by 7 is multiplied to 21 by 4. We can simplify at this particular stage. The 7 get cancels. Here 7 3 times is 21, 2 8 times, 2 2 times, and we get the result as 1 by 8 minus 3 by 2. The LCM at this stage is 8, so 1 minus, when 4 is multiplied to 3, it becomes negative 12. Therefore, we get negative 11 by 8. The property which we have used is distributivity over subtraction. Let me mention that distributivity over subtraction. Question 112 is to simplify. All the 4 are of different nature, so let's solve all of them one by one. In the first one, we have 32 upon 5 added to 23 upon 11 multiplied to 22 upon 15. Here, in this particular stage, we can simplify. 11 2 times is 22. Therefore, 32 upon 5 plus 46 upon 15. You must know that I should not do addition first, I should do multiplication, because I have learned DMAS rule. The operation multiplication comes before addition. Let's take the LCM. LCM is 15. If 15 is the LCM, this should be multiplied by 3. It becomes 96 plus 46 upon 15. Therefore, we get it as 142 upon 15. B. It is 3 by 7 multiplied to 28 by 15, then divided by 14 by 5. Again, remember, division operation is much before multiplication, so division has to be done first. So we have learned that division is same as multiplying with the reciprocal. So 3 by 7 is multiplied to 28 by 15, and it is multiplied to the reciprocal. The reciprocal is 5 by 14. Now we can simplify. To simplify, let me cancel out the terms here. 5 3 times, 14 2 times. Therefore, we get it as 3 and 3 also get cancels. We get it as 2 by 7. Now the third one, 3 by 7 plus negative 2 by 21 multiplied to negative 5 by 6. The operation multiplication is before addition, so let's multiply this. To multiply, let me simplify. This is 3 times, so we get 3 by 7 added to this, negative into negative becomes positive, 5 by 3 multiplied to 21 is 63. Now the LCM is 63. If 63 is the LCM, this has to be multiplied by 9. We get 27 plus 5. So the result is 32 upon 63. Now the fourth one. In the fourth, we have 7 by 8 is added to 1 by 16, then subtracted 1 by 12 from the sum. So addition operation is before subtraction. Let's add them. The first two terms, 16 is the LCM. Therefore, we get 14 plus 1. Then 1 by 12 should be written separately. We get 15 upon 16 minus 1 by 12. The LCM of 16 and 12 you can calculate is 48. If it is 48, 15 should be multiplied by 3. We get 45 minus 4, because 12 4 times is 48. We get the result as 41 by 48. You can verify, you can try this on your own before looking into the answer. Question 113. Identify the rational number that does not belong with the other three. Explain your reasoning. Negative 5 by 11, negative 1 by 2, negative 4 by 9, negative 7 by 3. Here, observe carefully the numerators and the denominators. This negative 7 by 3 has smaller value than negative 1, whereas rest of the three are greater than -1. So this particular number, -7/3, is different from the remaining three. Question number 114. The cost of 19/4 meter of wire is rupees 171 upon 2. Find the cost of 1 meter of the wire. Here, the cost of 19/4 meter of wire is given equal to rupees 171 upon 2. Therefore, we can find the cost of 1 meter of wire. This will be equal to 171 upon 2 divided by 19/4. We know when division is there, we'll multiply with the reciprocal. So 4/19 should be multiplied to 2 times 19. 9 times is 171. So we get it as rupees 18. Therefore, cost of 1 meter of wire is rupees 18. With this question, I'll end today's session. We shall take up few more questions in the next session. Thank you.